Number 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold, General 2, is a foldable laptop that features a flexible OLED display. The device is designed to be highly portable and versatile, with the ability to fold in half like a book for easy carrying and storage. The device comes with a 13.3-inch OLED display that has a resolution of 2048 by 1536 pixels. It also comes with 8 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. In addition to its unique folding design, the ThinkPad X1 Fold also includes a built-in kickstand, a Bluetooth mini fold keyboard, a stylus, and a front-facing 5-megapixel camera for video conferencing. It also has two USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a SIM card slot, and a headphone-microphone combo jack. Overall, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold, General 2, is a highly innovative and versatile device that offers a unique form factor and a range of features that make it ideal for professionals who need a powerful and portable laptop. Number 9. The iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus is a robot vacuum cleaner designed and manufactured by iRobot. It was released in September 2021 and is one of the latest models in the Roomba line of robot vacuums. One of the unique features of the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is its ability to detect and avoid obstacles, thanks to iRobot's patented iAdapt technology. Another noteworthy feature of the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is its ability to empty its own dustbin into a disposal bag. This means that you don't have to worry about emptying the bin after each use, and you can go longer between emptying the bag. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus comes with a clean base automatic dirt disposal unit that can hold up to 30 bins of debris. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus also includes iRobot's patented dual multi-surface rubber brushes, which are designed to pick up dirt and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus can be controlled and scheduled using the iRobot Home app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. The app allows you to customize cleaning preferences, view cleaning history, and access support from iRobot. Overall, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus is a powerful and advanced robot vacuum cleaner that offers a range of features to make your cleaning routine more efficient and effective. Number 8. Ring Car Cam is a device designed by Ring, a company known for its home security products such as video doorbells and security cameras. The Ring Car Cam is a dashcam that is designed to be installed in your car and provides a range of features to help improve your driving experience and provide additional security for your vehicle. Some of the features of the Ring Car Cam include: the device can record high-quality video footage in 1080p resolution. The Ring Car Cam has an emergency crash detection system that can automatically call for help in the event of a crash. It can also alert your emergency contacts and provide them with your location and other important details. The device has a parking mode that can monitor your car while it is parked and can alert you if any suspicious activity is detected. The Ring Car Cam also has a traffic stop mode that can be activated during a police stop. Overall, the Ring Car Cam is a useful device for anyone who wants to improve their driving experience and provide additional security for their vehicle. Number 7. Anker Soundcore frames are a pair of audio glasses produced by Anker, a well-known electronics company. The frames are equipped with built-in speakers and a microphone, allowing users to listen to music, make phone calls, and access voice assistants hands-free. The frames have polarized lenses that are interchangeable, and they are also designed to be lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. They are also equipped with touch-sensitive controls on the temple of the glasses, making it easy to control music playback, adjust volume, and answer calls. The Anker Soundcore frames connect to your phone or other devices via Bluetooth, allowing you to stream audio wirelessly. The frames also have a built-in battery that can last for up to 5 hours of continuous use, and they come with a charging case that can extend their battery life. Overall, the Anker Soundcore frames are a convenient and stylish way to enjoy audio on the go, especially for those who prefer not to wear headphones or earbuds. Number 6. The Amazon Astro is a household robot developed by Amazon. It was announced in September 2021 and is expected to be released in late 2022. The Astro is designed to be a mobile home assistant that can move around your home to help with tasks like checking on pets, monitoring your home security, and even bringing you items from one room to another. It uses advanced AI and computer vision technology to navigate around your home and avoid obstacles. The robot is equipped with a 10-inch screen that displays a face-like image, which allows it to communicate with you using facial expressions and gestures. It also has built-in cameras, microphones, and speakers that allow you to make video calls and control your smart home devices through voice commands. However, it remains to be seen how consumers will respond to having a robot moving around their home and performing various tasks. Number 5. The Amazon Echo Show 15 is a new device in Amazon's Echo Show series, which features smart displays with Alexa built in. The Echo Show 15 has a 15.6-inch display, making it the largest Echo Show device yet, allowing you to control your smart home devices and access Alexa's many features with voice commands or touch controls. One of the standout features of the Echo Show 15 is its ability to display high-quality visuals, such as photos, videos, and even live TV feeds. The device also includes a 13-megapixel camera for video calls and taking photos, browse the web, and access various apps, including Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and Hulu. The Echo Show 15 is expected to be released in late 2022, and pricing has not yet been announced. Number 4. The Sony WH-1000XM5 are noise-canceling headphones that are widely regarded as one of the best options on the market for their superior noise-canceling abilities and sound quality. Some key features of these headphones include industry-leading noise cancellation. The WH-1000XM5 uses advanced noise-canceling technology to block out a wide range of ambient noise. The headphones feature 40mm drivers that deliver deep, rich bass and clear, detailed highs, making them ideal for music lovers who want to experience their favorite tunes in high fidelity. The headphones feature intuitive touch controls on the ear cups, allowing you to adjust volume, skip tracks, and activate noise cancellation with a simple swipe or tap. The headphones are designed to be comfortable to wear for extended periods, with plush ear pads that conform to your ears and a lightweight design that won't put undue strain on your neck or head. Overall, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are an excellent choice for anyone looking for high-quality noise-canceling headphones that deliver exceptional audio quality and comfort. Number 3. The Theragun Mini is a handheld percussive massage gun that is designed to help relieve muscle soreness and stiffness. It is a smaller and more portable version of the original Theragun model. The Theragun Mini features a quiet motor with 3 speed settings that deliver up to 2,400 percussions per minute. It comes with a rechargeable battery that provides up to 150 minutes of use per charge. The Mini also has an ergonomic grip that makes it easy to use and maneuver on various parts of the body. The Theragun Mini comes with one attachment, the standard ball, but other attachments can be purchased separately to target specific muscle groups or types of pain. Overall, the Theragun Mini is a convenient and effective tool for muscle recovery and pain relief on the go. Number 2. Dyson Pure Cool is a range of air purifiers and fans produced by the British technology company Dyson. These devices are designed to remove pollutants and allergens from the air while also providing a cooling effect. The Pure Cool range features a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, and bacteria. The filter is also able to capture and eliminate potentially harmful gases such as formaldehyde and benzene. They feature a bladeless design, which makes them safe and easy to clean. Dyson Pure Cool devices can be controlled remotely via a mobile app or voice commands, and they also come with a remote control. Overall, the Dyson Pure Cool range is a great option for anyone looking for an air purifier and a fan in one device. They are sleek and stylish, and their advanced filtration technology ensures that the air in your home is clean and healthy to breathe. Number 1. Victrola Revolution Go is a portable turntable produced by Victrola, a company that specializes in audio equipment. The Victrola Revolution Go is battery-powered, so you can use it without being plugged into an electrical outlet. It also has Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to stream music wirelessly from your phone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled device. In addition to its portability, the Victrola Revolution Go has other features that make it a versatile and convenient turntable. It has built-in speakers, so you don't need to connect it to external speakers to enjoy your music. You can use the RCA output to connect the turntable to external speakers. Overall, the Victrola Revolution Go is a good option for people who want a portable turntable that is easy to use and has multiple playback options.